I'm a good flyer.
Ratchet, the situation is getting dire. I am sending a transmission to Crank's comm unit requesting assistance.
Fine, but I'm not waiting around. We need to get that Dimensionator before Slag can cause any more trouble.
Yeah, right.
Alright, Chief. What can we do you for?
Ooh. Am I right in thinking that's the last weapon? Let's go to weapons. There's only one left, and that's the Rhino. So it must be. We got them all. Now you see, I remembered the magnet launcher. I didn't remember it being this late. Oh god. Didn't remember it being this late in the game. So that's quite interesting. But cool. I like the magnet launcher. I think it's quite good, if I remember correctly. Now is there going to be more than one enemy?
This is a friendly reminder that Mother's Day is just round the corner.
The answer was no.
Georgia and prison will be extending their visiting hours so that we may spend more time with our sweet mums.
Ow. How dare you. You're going to regret that, seriously. It's going to hurt. It's going to hurt badly. Nice. Money! Is there anything over there? Looks like it. Okay, maybe not then. Sure. I won't be going over there then. Oh.
We wasn't expecting any visitors, Lord Max. Allow me to give you a proper greeting.
Oh. Oh, well, oh. Oh, well then. Well, oh. Oh. Well, I wasn't expecting that. I expected you to die, but sure. Look at those things in the background, those dolphin squid things. They're awesome. Right, now I know there's going to be the ones who shoot. So I will flame them, because that's smart. Using another made of metal, so you know, totally do a lot of damage. I'm gonna wait a few shots. And you're down! Nice! That's how you do it! I'm unsure where I'm supposed to be going. Yeah, okay, I can't go over there. Oh, door. Silly me. Where's the thing? There it is. I'm a pirate! To the skies!
Only a true pirate may pass. Dance the jig and prove your worth.
I guess. I could do that.
To the sky! To the sky! To your left! To your right! Shake your booty!
Yeah!
To your left! To the sky! Shake your booty!
Yeah, I win!
No land number could.
Oh look! You can salute. Arr. Oh wow, I got a skill point for saluting. Wow. I feel proud. I really do. I don't know how I got something for saluting, but I did. Cool. Oh, I see. Nice. This reminds me of, I think it's the final level in Dreadlocked. Reminds me a bit like that. The Ghost Pirate Ship level. I think that was what it was. It reminds me of that. It's pretty good if I remember correctly. I don't know. Seems a bit weird to have you there, but whatever. Good question, what do I want? Maybe we should upgrade the Negotiator a bit more. Ooh. Right, I see a predicament. Well, let's try the magnet. Okay, routing will do. Good. It's nearly upgraded. Then I only have 3 to upgrade, which will be very nice. And since I'll be going for skill points and stuff, I can upgrade it then, which would be good. At least I think it will. Plenty of time to upgrade. Oh, you're back. I guess I can do this like 4 times and then upgrade the Alpha Disruptor with you. I guess I can do that. You know, it's an idea. Oh! I really should end up killing you with this.
You have upgraded to the Alpha Cannon. Your weapon's energy beam will now explode on contact with every enemy it hits.
Booyah. I really want to test this thing. Nice. Is it powerful? Yes, yes it is. Things are just going to upgrade around here. Watch them grow. Still haven't showed off the magnet launcher. I really should show it off, but I want to upgrade this at the same time because it's like 10 kills away. Maybe not even that. Maybe these. Yes! 2 upgrades in the space of a minute.
Congratulations! You have upgraded to the incinerator. Cook your enemies twice as fast with dual streams of intertwining fire.
Whoa, nice. Very nice. You're right, it does cook enemies quicker. Whee!
Slag is here somewhere, Ratchet.
Whoa, crap. Right, I was going to say, is this an actual enemy? What's going on? Where's the magnet? You know what? I might not have it equipped. Quick select. Let's get rid of some stuff. So what am I never going to use? I'm never going to use that again. Magnet, never going to use... I'm never going to use that, so I'll switch it for blades. Okay. Let's see how good this is. Okay, it's not good apparently. Let's try this. Good. What? I didn't get a single checkpoint, really? I'm gonna use this a bit. I know it's gonna upgrade really slowly and it's not gonna kill much, but I'm gonna use it. Still got a lot of money though. Come on out. Oh, nice. Well, it kills enemies like that, so I suppose it's not all bad. It's better at doing jump attacks, I think. I mean, arguably I could grind it up over here, but that's a lot of work. Oh, damn. I'm surprised I didn't get a single checkpoint, if I'm being honest. I still think using this is a good idea, even though it doesn't do much. Just getting some experience, which is good. I need experience for it. And let's face it, it does look pretty awesome. That's what. Whoa! Oh! Oh! It doesn't like these platforms. That was impressive. 1-0 to you, platforms. Okay, I'm gonna have to use the magnet. It does kill them, so I can't deny its power. It's pretty good in that sense. Oh, well then, oh, I have to turn it each time, right? Okay. What I don't understand is why I didn't get a checkpoint, like, anywhere. Because that's a bit silly. You'd think, you know. Oh, if I must. But that's, this actually upgrades quite quickly with the pirates, which is quite nice. Considering it's the final weapon and all. It's not bad, actually. Quite like it. Oh yeah, you can use more than one on each enemy, can't you? I forgot about that. Kills them quicker. Nice. Sweet. Question. Why? What am I missing? Oh, you. Bye guys, it's been nice knowing you. It's been lovely. It's been real. I quite like this weapon. Oh jeez, not any... I'm sorry, did you just kill me in one? And now I got a checkpoint here. Well, of course I did. I mean, why wouldn't I? As is the natural progression of this game. I really like the magnet launcher. It's killing enemies really quickly. But that said, it's not going to kill the big guys, so I've got to be careful for that. Oh, well that went through the floor. Lovely. Well, I got a box. That counts as something, I guess. Bring out the big guns. Where is it coming from? I genuinely don't know. That's why I'm worried. There you are. Oh Christ, in a bucket. Ah! Are you all dead yet? Must say, that weapon doesn't handle particularly well with the... Did the guy... Oh, thank you, game. That's wonderful. That was... Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you very much. This is going to upgrade to V2. Nice. I like this weapon. This weapon is much better than I remember. I mean, I remember it being good, but it's really good. Got full health. So if I die to this thing, then I know what the problem is. It's that they just kill you in one hit if you touch them. Bye. I'm not going anywhere near you. Oh, hello. Surprise butt. No, no surprise butt sex. Lovely. I love it when there's no surprise butt sex. I mean, it adds less excitement, but...
This is a reminder. Tonight's after-tea activities will consist of ballroom dancing, ice sculpting, and Jargonian needle torture.
Ratchet. Oh. Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to be here! Ooh. I think I glitched the game! Guys, how screwed am I? Yeah! Guys. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh Lord, what have I done? Theoretically, I can fly over because I got these things. With that said, I'm still worried. I'm not supposed to be here. Oh, the floor's quite nice. I like that. Yay! I'm alive! Alright, you guys, magnet. This thing can get through your shields. There's no way I'm not using magnet. I'd be a fool not to use it. Yeah, I thought you had one of those. That's why I plan on using this. Such a badass.